Yesterday, we did a video on a stock that I just put $5,000 in, which was Citigroup. That video got nearly 1,000 views within the first day, which is a lot for this channel. So number one, thank you. But number two, that tells me that that is the type of content that you guys like to see. So I want to share with you another position that I ended up taking a couple of weeks ago, actually, that I plan to hold into the next couple of months, specifically into the end of the year. If you guys like this type of content, let me know in the comment section. If you guys want more, learning how to do a budget, more business, different videos and sales videos and real estate videos, let me know as well, because this channel is all for you guys. And when you guys tell me what you want, it's a great way for me to curate that content around you. If you haven't already, go and check out the Discord. It is completely free. The link is in the description. It is a great community to trade with, to invest with. I have all of my free investments over there as well. We have some free courses and an options technical analysis bot that can help some of you guys who are traders. Now, the position that we're going to be talking about, I'm going to go over it right now so that this way you guys don't have to sit through the end of the video, because I know that your time is important, is going to be Bristol Myers. If that's what you're here for, you just want to see what it is, it's Bristol Myers. My price target is $64 within the next couple of weeks, preferably probably by the end of the year is where I see it. Now, if you want to actually sit here and see why I see value in it, which is very important, then let's get into that now. So this is a post from our Discord here back on the 23rd of September. So if we click here, you're going to see here I posted on 9/23. Great flow hit today, and we're finding a bottom here around $60. MACD histogram is looking good. RSI is really oversold, and we're holding this level. I got shares since the market was closed, plus the volume on these options was non-existent because I didn't want to play straight up options. Number one, I usually just don't like to do that. And number two, I don't like to do it in general because there's so little volume on something like Bristol Myers that liquidity and slippage could actually become an issue, which is something I don't want to deal with. Now, looking at Bristol Myers, you can see that basically for the past year and a half, the stock has done nothing but sit sideways. We've, hit highs of like 67, came down to lows down here at about 56 bucks. And when we're looking at a bigger time frame like this, like I said, this is not an investment, but it's also not like a short-term trade. You can see that every single time we come down to about 56 bucks, we tend to bounce and we tend to hold. Bristol Myers had a really good earnings, and we did see a push down to $56, but we did end up recovering back up to about $59 after earnings. And right now we are sitting at a very good level and a very attractive level. From a trading standpoint, which we don't talk too much about here, you can see the RSI is pointing up, MACD is looking good, squeeze has been happening, and the OBV is pointing up, which we need volume. But if we look at a seasonality chart here, you will see that fundamentally, November is the strongest month for Bristol Myers, and really for the market in general. 78% of the time, Bristol Myers goes up every single November for the past 8 years, which is very strong. And on average, it goes up about 2%. So we're not looking at anything crazy like 20, 30, 40%. We're looking at about a 2 to 4% move. When we look at the unusual options buying, we look at the fundamental fact that the stock market always rips in the fourth quarter. Like for the past 8 years, we talked about this a bit yesterday, but for the past 8 years, the S&P 500 has gone up 100% of the time. So in the past basically 8 years, the market has always gone up. This is the strongest month for Bristol Myers, strongest month for the market. Big money has been buying the living crap out of it, and technically it's setting up really well. That is what I look for. Now, my price target for Bristol Myers by the end of the year is $64. I will be more than happy getting out there, because that means that I will make about a 10% return on this trade, which is only going to be about 300 bucks. It's not crazy, but I do have a lot of investments right now that I'm going to talk to you guys about coming up in the next couple of weeks, because I did deploy about $30,000 in capital in fundamental long-term investments as well. I do have a lot of other money in a bunch of other companies that we're going to talk about that are like longer trades that we're going to go over. But guys, that's the information I wanted to share with you. Like I said, let me know what videos you want me to make, because I really like making all types of videos. I really like to do videos on budgeting and sales and growing a business, and basically teaching you guys how I was able to grow my business and grow my net worth. But unfortunately, those videos don't really get any attention from the algorithm. So I'm just trying to do what makes you guys happy, because this channel is completely for you. Like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out the Discord. The link is in the description. It is completely free. You can go check out my trades over there and upgrade your membership if you want. But if not, just come hang out and say hi. Peace, guys. Have a good day.